Hello, this is Joe Okoro from inboxmarketingformula.com. Today we're going to look at the 3 reasons why you should use a blog for your business. So in case you don't know what a blog is simply a website that you use to position yourself, a content marketing website for positioning purpose and for putting your content online. Okay, so why should you use a blog for your business? We're going to look at 3 reasons. Okay, so if you're running any type of home business, network marketing opportunity, affiliate marketing, and you don't own a blog, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Using social media sites alone, having an Instagram following, Facebook, is not sufficient. Even if you have thousands of followers and you don't have a content hub, a personal blog, a personal website that positions you, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. So why should you have a blog? Why should you employ a blog to grow your home business? These are the 3 reasons. The first one is that a blog positions you as a credible leader. Okay? When you provide interesting insights and valuable knowledge that resonate with your audience, your readers will begin to recognize you as an industry leader. Why? Because you are creating helpful content which allows you to build credibility with your customers, with your readers, and establish you as an expert in that field. Okay, it also helps you to increase trust in the brand that you are promoting and even trust in your own self. You are branding yourself as a credible leader, and this in turn will lead to higher customer conversion rates after reading your blog post. Of course, before you can achieve the position or the status of being recognized as a credible or an industrial leader, you must have posted content that has shown you to be that. And of course, a blog will help you to reach that expert status fast. You need to do multiple blog posting to reach that. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is a blog will help you to drive traffic to your website. Okay, so what we're saying is this. We know that we're talking about website here and we're talking about blog. Now, there are 2 different things. Most business owners have website for their businesses, but they don't have blog. A blog stands as a marketing platform for your website. Okay, for those who own personal home businesses or those who work from home, those who own network marketing business opportunities, you need a personal blog. You need to use that your personal blog to build authority so that you can now drive traffic to whatever website that you run your business from. Okay, so whenever you write a blog post or you are creating a content that will benefit your audience, this content can be shared on social media and it can direct potential customers back to you. Okay, why do we say this? A blog is a social media platform, hence it is social media friendly and it has the potential to drive traffic from social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, when you add this element in your blog post. So what we're saying is this: whenever you do a blog post, every blog has plugins. You can even install these plugins on every post. These plugins have social media elements planted in them. making it share worthy, making it easier for every content you post to be share worthy. So if a reader or an engaged fan of yours read your blog post and finds it valuable and interesting, with those plugins, it is easy for them to share it either on their Facebook profile, on their YouTube account, on their Twitter or Instagram platform. And for those who have followings with them, you find out that it creates a viral effect. And that is why we say that a blog will actually help you to drive traffic to your website. So if you are only focusing on social media platforms where you have several accounts, you are restricting your reach, because when you have a blog, it will help you to extend beyond the reach that you are currently experiencing, because the potential that your blog has from the post that you make on it can make it go viral and make every effort you put in creating content to be leveraged. Okay, so that is the second reason why you should have a blog for your business. Let's look at the third reason. The third reason is that a blog helps you to generate leads on autopilot. You see, when you have people that follow you on social media, these people are just followers. They are not yet your leads. You don't have total control of them. You don't have their personal contacts. Only Facebook has that. You can only reach them when you are on Facebook. So let's assume you want to reach them when you are outside Facebook. How do you do that? Or when you are outside Instagram, how do you do that? You see, there's no way you can do that. However, if you own a blog, it will be easy for your readers or your followers on those social media platforms to come to your blog post and request for more information from you by leaving their details on your blog. When you have a blog, they can become automated such that you can get people that are interested in knowing more to leave their details so that you can follow up on them and convert them to customers. Okay, so when you have great content on your blog, this can be possible, and you find out that it is very easy for you to convert the visits of these people on your blog to leads, especially if your content is valuable. But for you to do this, you must have what we call a lead magnet planted on your blog. Okay, take note that all the people that lands on your blog and read content on it have a different mindset, and that is why we say that they are highly targeted subscribers for your business. So when these people turns to leads from social media following, all you need to do is just follow up on them, offer them your product or services or even your opportunity, and get them to do business with you. So if you don't have a blog currently, it's time for you to start planning to get one as soon as possible. If you are running either a network marketing business, a home business opportunity, or you are into affiliate marketing. If you find these interesting topics interesting, then you may want to take the first step in creating your own blog. In that case, I may be of help to you. So if you need a help in starting a business blog for your own business, I have prepared a free 3-part video series that will teach you the concepts behind a 7-figure blog or a money-making blog and why you should own one for your home business. To get this 3-part video series, just go to joeokoro.com/BCU and you will have access to this 3-part video series. Secondly, you can join my private group and go to Facebook and search for Start and Grow Your Home Business in Nigeria. Or you can just follow the link facebook.com/groups/ grow your home base, and you will land on my group where I dish out tips that help small businesses, home business owners to build your business, and network marketers, of course. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you the next time. Goodbye.